Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. So in this video we're gonna copy this Figma design using HTML and CSS, and we'll use CSS grid in this video. So here you can see this is the header section and this is our banner section, and here you can see some post grids, and in the right side you can see the sidebar with recent post and popular post. On the footer section you can see some menus, you can see some social media icons, and the very bottom you can see the copyright text here. So no more delay, let's jump to the coding part.